Yo, Bravan Matrix in the building. Welcome to the world of digital skills.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Bravan Matrix. Today we are going to show how to install a Windows Server. Now this is a latest version, Windows Server 2022. If you are a new visitor on our channel, please go and click the subscribe button. Now we are using a Oracle VirtualBox for installation of Windows. We will open and make a lab on this. Now write a Windows Server 2022 for the visual machine name, and also we are going to OS image and select your Windows Server from where you download or from other side and finish it. Now we are going to click the start button for starting installation step by step. It will take a time, but we're still waiting on this. Okay, the film is starting. As you can see, the installation is starting direct. You must wait because it will take a lot of time. Now we are going to start installation. Select language and the keyboard layout and start installation. The setup is starting. As you can see, you are required to wait as a moment. It takes a lot of time, but for this Windows Server is used to manage so many things in a cyber security or networking engineer or system administrator. Okay, now we can select a desktop Windows Server. This is a Microsoft Windows Server 2022, and we select it. Now we can customize. We can select a custom button because it is simple to install and we not need the last version to remain on this. Okay, the firmware starting, but here it take a lot of time, but we are pausing it and show it quickly, but you can still going on. Okay, let we waiting and the installation steps they are completed. As you can see, okay, Microsoft Server operating system. Now it is starting solid, and the VirtualBox opened and restarted. After installation steps, we required to wait a moment, but some moments I am paused because we not still loading for a lot of observation and require you to wait on one tutorial. I'm pausing them in order to make a tutorial short, but this process is take a lot of time. The minimum time is from half hour and more, but cannot be more than 2 hours. It is below. If you want to become a network engineer, system administrator, because the Windows Server it operates on cyber security, now we're starting this. Here we can customize your computer. As you can see, write your password and the type password against. This is a window from my domain operating system. Because the firmware is restarted. After that, changing the password. Now we can see here, you can open the input and you can see the Control Alt and Delete button to restart. Now Windows Server is already, and the administration side will become, you put the password. Let me enter the password. After that, password is incorrect and repeat. Okay, let me make a correct password. Okay, you can see the please forward use profile server service the prepared position start. Okay, even in this side it takes a lot of time. We required to pause them in order to make a quick fast moving from next step to next step. Okay, our Windows Server is already installed on our visual machine or VirtualBox, as you can see, but there is some features running in order to be opened. This is File Explorer. As you can see, the server manager is opened. Okay, this is a folder from File Explorer, as can see from in our Windows desktop client system, as the same as the servers look to be looked as it. Okay, we can see the server manager dashboard panel, and this is the end of our tutorial. Let me say thank you for watching and goodbye.